Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term grapefruiting. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, grapefruiting is a scam trick involving cutting holes in phone screens to steal fingerprints. People use it when warning others about smartphone hacking methods. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Grapefruiting first showed up in the 2010s from a hacking technique exposed around 2018. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among tech communities and smartphone users. Now let's check out how to use grapefruiting in a sentence. Correct example 1. He warned me about grapefruiting scams targeting smartphone users by lifting fingerprints. Correct example 2. I heard grapefruiting is becoming a real threat for new smartphones. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said grapefruiting at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using grapefruiting right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Grapefruiting means a scam trick involving cutting holes in phone screens to steal fingerprints. It started in the 2010s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with grapefruiting in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.